In this video, let's learn how to make an Amazon wish list. If this sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch this video until the end and let's jump right into it. First, make sure that you're logged into your Amazon account. Once you open up your Amazon app, on the bottom you'll be able to see a few options. To create your wish list, you just tap on this human icon, which is the second option. Here it's going to give you a few details about your account. You'll be able to see an option of create a list. Now if you had created a list previously, you'll be able to see it on this your list section. To be able to create a new list, you just tap on this create a list option. Just tap on create a list and then you can rename this as your wish list and tap on create list. Once you created the wish list, you can either choose to make your wish list private or public. If you tap on this invite option, you can even invite other people to view your wish list. And there are other few things that you can manage. Now in order to add in products to your wish list, you just simply open up a product, and then if you scroll down a bit, you'll have an option of add to list. You can tap on it and select the list that you just created. In this case, I have named it wish list. You can tap on that and that particular product will be added to your wish list. So that's how easily you can create and add in products to your wish list. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video, and I'll be back with more.